I'll break one down for you gear jammers out there. Welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite trucker, the Smooth Operator. Today I'm going to be telling you guys the top 3 FedEx ground terminals. All right, top 3 FedEx ground terminals. If you're new to FedEx Ground or you're thinking about coming to FedEx Ground, stick around because this video is for you. Coming in at number 3, it's going to be Jacksonville, Florida. Now, I made another video about the top 3 worst terminals, and it was on there also. It's only bad during peak season. Outside of that, it's actually a pretty good terminal. The yard jockeys are very user-friendly and they're very helpful. They'll pull the trailers off the door for you, move trailers around. You know, I really enjoy working with those guys over there. Another thing I like about it is the consistent dock workers. If you go to a place like Atlanta, the dock workers are always quitting, especially around payday and especially around tax time, and because they know they can just come back a couple of weeks later and get rehired. You don't see that much in Jacksonville. Knowing they're pretty consistent, which means that you're not going to be waiting on door that long, you know, when you do have to wait on door. Another thing I like about Jacksonville are the coordinators slash dispatchers. They're user-friendly, pretty laid back, and they will actually call you when your load is ready. I really enjoy that. It's not very many terminals out there that will do that, but Jacksonville is one of those terminals. Coming in number 2 for me is going to be the Greensboro, North Carolina terminal. What I like about this terminal is it's humongous. It's probably one of the biggest terminals I've seen. And you go in there, it's easy to get in, it's easy to get out. There's always space to park your trailers at. There's always space to park your truck at. And I've never had any problems with the yard jockeys, switches out there. And the coordinators are pretty friendly out there also, and they will also call you and let you know when your load is ready. So Greensboro is number 2 for me. And before we get to the number 1 FedEx Ground terminal, in my opinion, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out, and it doesn't cost you a thing, okay? All right, coming in number 1 for me is going to be Ocala, Florida terminal. This terminal, I just recently started doing this run, and it is probably just about as big as one in Greensboro. Maybe not quite as big, but it's pretty big. And I mean, same thing. Plenty of space to park the trailers, plenty of space for truck parking, easy to get your trailers. They're very user-friendly there, and the thing that really sets it over the top for me is they use the Trip Buddy app there. If you're not familiar with the Trip Buddy app, basically it's a contactless way of dispatching yourself. You know, once you get your trailers and everything, it'll tell you when it's ready, and then you go ahead and put your still numbers and your dial number in there, and then you roll. So it saves you, you know, quite a bit of time, 5 or 10 minutes, you know, if not more. You don't have to go back and forth to the dispatch office and everything. So hopefully you gain some value out of this video. If you're a FedEx Ground driver currently, what is your favorite FedEx Ground terminal that you like to go to? And tell us why down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. Consider subscribing. Again, don't forget to hit that like button, and check out some of these other videos at the end that might help you out and you might get value out of if you're thinking about coming to FedEx Ground or if you're already at FedEx Ground. You guys know the deal. There's only 3 things in life that matter: fast trucks, fast women, and fast food. Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. And as always, stay smooth, my friends.